Hello, everybody. Glad you came to my website and YouTube website channel. And I got this Ruger 357. And when I got it, I noticed it didn't have the sight, the rear sight. So I went in and my friend ordered the rear sight. So I'm gonna put it on and see if I can do this right. I already went ahead and I took this pin that was in there, because I only had this pin in there and I only had the screw that was on there, nothing else. Only had that pin that went in here, and then there's a screw that goes in there. That was all that it had. It didn't have anything else. So we ordered the rear sight. This is the new pin I'm putting in there, and here's the new sight. It's a metal sight, the rear adjustable metal sight, and it's gonna go in here, and I'm gonna tap it so that rod can go right through there, that rod pin. And then, but before I do that, I need to put the spring in there, the two springs. They go in the two little holes. So let me see if I can do that. They're it's gonna be kind of hard, but I'll try to do it. Put that pin there first. Not that hole, the other hole. There. Oh my goodness gracious. Come on. Oh, let me try something. Try that phone. This is the old pin. There it is. Oh, come on. Hope you don't have this kind of problem. Now I'll put the other spring in there too. No. Gotta get it started here. There it is. There it is. So that's how I did it. I used this the old pin to put the springs in there because they're real hard to do. I think my fingers are big and I can't hold it in there. But these were the only things, those were the only ones that I had, that I got that were on the gun when I got the gun, and I didn't realize it didn't have the rear sight. But it's okay. Put that in. It was only like $15 for the rear sight. So now I got it. Got the rear sight on there. Okay. So I just thought I'd show you that, and because I looked on YouTube to see if they could show me how to do it, and I couldn't find it. It kept telling me about the front side, and I just tried to figure it out, and I just figured it out. So yeah, this is the Ruger 357 Blackhawk. Ruger 357 Blackhawk. Okay. Well, everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless you guys, and keep watching my videos, and I'll catch you next time.